Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Eufy door lock passcode. First, launch the Eufy security application on your smartphone. Once open, navigate to the main screen and select the specific smart lock you intend to update. It is important to ensure your phone is connected to the lock, which usually happens automatically through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless communication. After selecting your lock, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen for the Manage Access button. Tapping this will open a new menu where you can oversee all individuals who have access to your smart lock. This is the central hub for adding new users or making changes to existing passcodes, ensuring you have full control over who can enter your home. It's a straightforward step to manage your security. Within the Manage Access section, find the specific user whose passcode you wish to update. Select their profile, and you will be prompted to enter a new code. Eufy Smart locks typically support passcodes ranging from 4 to 8 digits. Choose a strong, memorable combination that is difficult to guess, then confirm your new entry by retyping it to proceed with the change. This ensures accuracy and security. Once you have entered your new passcode, tap the Save or Confirm button to finalize the update. It is always a good practice to immediately test the new passcode on your physical door lock keypad to ensure it functions as expected. For added security, explore features like Scramble Passcode, which lets you enter random numbers before or after your actual code, deterring onlookers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.